Namaste, dear cuties. Welcome you all once again. This is Subhashri working in Prasann Vidya Mandir School, Mamandur. The PPT was prepared by myself, presented by myself, and my co staff, Miss Priyadarshini, Miss Bella, and Miss Sivapriya. I am handling the subject social for class 3 section A section. Today we are going to see some interesting topic from the lesson number 4, Beyond Our Skies. Month August month, week second week, part 2. So this is the continuation of first video. Before entering into the session, we can see some interesting facts. Do you know? Mercury takes 88 days to go around the sun once. Scientists have ideas about why Saturn has rings, but no one knows for sure. Neptune has 6 rings around it as, but they are very odd to see. So, still there are many interesting facts are there you can read and enjoy. Next, expected learning outcomes. At the end of the session, students will be able to explain why life is possible only on Earth. We already know Earth a unique planet because we live on Earth. It is the fifth largest planet and it is made up of rock, soil, air, and water. And it is the only planet to support life because the earth is covered by 2 by 3 earth's surface of water. So the earth is the only planet we live on earth. Hence we call it as earth is a unique planet. Characteristics of earth. It is spherical in shape. It has land, water and air. It appears blue when seen from space because it has so much of water. That is the reason the earth appears blue when seen from space. Earth, a living planet. The life is only possible on earth because it is at the right distance from the sun. So it gets right amount of heat and light from the sun. Hence the life is possible only on earth. Next we move on to the activity. So when you hear the word earth, what comes in your mind? Just think and answer. Mountains, river, oceans and seas. Because the earth's surface, that is 2 by 3 of the earth's surface is covered only with water. So that is the reason it appears blue color when we seen from the space. So automatically when you hear the word earth, what comes to your mind? It means seas, oceans, mountains, and rivers. Children, observe the figure 9. This is what Earth looks like from outer space. See the picture and answer the following questions. What is the shape of the Earth? Yes, good. It is spherical in shape or a sphere. I think it closely resembles shape of a ball. What do the brown and blue colors in figure 9 represent? I think the brown areas are land while the blue areas are water. Next activity, activity number 4.12. They given two pictures, planet A and planet B. See the picture carefully and answer the following questions. Planet A, Earth. Planet B, Uranus. List at least two differences between these two planets. The Earth is closer to the Sun than Uranus. When comparing to the Uranus, the Earth is just close to the Sun. Next question. Do you think humans, plants, animals can live on planet B? Why? Did you think the planet B can can support the life? No. I think the life is not possible on planet B because there is no water. See the next activity, activity number 4.14. Use the following table to explain what could happen if one of these situations takes place. Situation: Earth moves closer to the Sun. You just imagine and tell the answer. If the Earth moves closer to the Sun, it means it gets hotter. Life would be difficult on Earth. You can imagine there is no air in the Earth. What will happen? We can't breathe. There is no water. We could not have water for our daily routine. Plants and animals would die. There is no land. We would not have a place to stay. Next, complete the concept map. Let us recall everything and answer the concept map. Solar system consists of sun, planets and other bodies. First, the sun is a star in the center of the solar system. Planets. There are 8 planets that revolve around the sun. Moons are natural satellites of planets. Next, we are going to see a glossary and some important terms given in the lesson. Orbit, the path an object takes in space as it revolves around another object. Planet, a very large natural object that moves around a star. Satellite, a natural or man made object that goes around Earth or another planet in the solar system. Solar, relating to the sun. Thank you.